I wanna get to your clothes, gotta get it right now. I wanna push all the limits with you right now. So what you feel?
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Kristen. Today I'm gonna be giving you guys some Dollar Tree fall DIYs. Yay! I hope you guys enjoy these. And what is going on with my bangs today? I don't know. So enough of this, enough of my hair. Let's get going on to these DIYs. Alright, so this first DIY, you'll just need 2 Dollar Tree signs. They look like pumpkins, some spray paint from Walmart. This is just the black. And then I'm just going to be spray painting the top of these. You kind of see a little bit of the writing through, but once I got everything put together, you really can't tell unless you look, but I couldn't tell. I picked these little vinyl decals up from Target. They were $3 for 2 of them in the Bullseye's Playground Dollar Tree spot. I don't know what we want to call it anymore. So I thought these were super cute, and if you don't have a Cricut or a Silhouette, I think this is a really easy way to use. I use transfer tape. It doesn't come with that. It just kind of tells you to peel and stick like using a sticker. I just thought these were super cute, and I loved the colors. It's like a rose gold, and the other one is a gold. I thought these would look super cute against a black pumpkin, so that is what I decided to do. I did rip the leaves and everything off the top. I was going to put the leaf back, but I just didn't like the way it looked, so I left it off. And then once everything was put together, I ended up using some bows from Hobby Lobby and adding those to the tops of the pumpkins.
To sit and screaming when I'm coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. People talk and tell what you wanna hear now, but they all disappear, they will let you down. So we better stick together. Let's come whatever when I'm coming home tonight. We're living quick in the
Next one is super easy. These pumpkins came from the Dollar Tree as well, and I'm just going to be taking the leaves off to start, and then I'm just going to be taking them out in the garage and spray painting them. I'm using the Rust-Oleum Aged Copper spray paint. I love this color. This goes on super fast, and I love the effect that it gives as well, but this is super, super pretty, and I thought this would match the pumpkins, so if you're kind of going for a theme, but at the same time, not really. I also had these rub-on transfers. I never have good luck with these, but I did practice a couple times, and they were all going on perfect. I didn't have an issue with any of them, so if you guys can grab some rub-on transfers, these are really, really fun to use, so I'm hoping I can come up with some other DIYs to use with these, because like I said, they are super fun. I never know what to call these, but I'm just using like the leaves. You can tell it came off right there as well. That's how easy these rub-on transfers were to do from Dollar Tree. Yeah, I don't know what to call these. Is it like a garland, a greenery, leaves? But that's just what I cut out from the rub-on transfers. There was quite a few of these. These were just really cool, and it just gave the pumpkin just a little bit extra than just spray painting it. But loved how these turned out, and this was really fast to do. I left the leaves and the stem as is and just added it back when I was done painting and adding the transfers on. And I love how these turned out. I think these are so stinking cute.
For a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather.
Next one is also very easy. A house from Dollar Tree, a wooden leaf, some chalk paint and plaster, and I'm just painting this leaf. This actually came from my friend Shyla from Hobknobin. I will leave her Etsy store down below. She has some really, really cute wood pieces that you can do crafts with. I love her store, so make sure you check it out. Like I said, link will be in the description box for that. And really, I didn't do anything else. I just kind of took the leaf once it was painted and took some hot glue and glued it right to the house. Used a vinyl decal I cut from my silhouette. If you don't have one, you can definitely use some stickers or some roll-on transfers. That's completely up to you. Free printables. There's so many other options. This is just what works best for me. And this one is how this one turned out. It was really easy and it was only $1 to make.
Heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two.
I'm now using these wooden pumpkins from the Dollar Tree, taking them apart, and I actually had to sand them down outside because this little sander was not working out for me. Using the Elephant Chalk Paint by Waverly, I'm going to paint both of these pumpkins. So you're going to see that I did 2. I actually only finished 1 because they were going to be the exact same, so I didn't want to, I don't know. There was just something about I started doing both and then I quit right at the end because I just didn't want to do 2. So I'm going to be using scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby, 25 cents for a piece of scrapbook paper. You cannot beat that. I'm just tracing the back so I am able to cut these out. And all I did was take some Mod Podge and a Mod Podge on there. I didn't use a lot, I used a little, and it worked out great. I just added the piece of scrapbook paper that was cut, and like I said, I did 2 of these, so I'm going to show you that I did 2 of them. Grabbed these bows from Hobby Lobby. If you can get a 40% off of fall stuff, they have some really cute and expensive stuff. These bows were under $2 for the whole package, which I think that is a great deal because I've used these in quite a bit of DIYs, or I will be using them. Chalkboard tags from Dollar Tree and this chalkboard sticker. So I wanted the chalkboard label, but I didn't want the hole in it, so I thought I would trace this with the chalkboard sticker and then cut it out and then add it right to the center of the wooden pumpkins. Part is optional, but I decided to use my silhouette again and cut out another decal. Like I said, you don't have to get angry if I use it because you could definitely just write something if you can draw. I have bad handwriting, so there's no way that I would freehand anything. But there is so many other options if you do not have a Cricut machine. But I love the way this one turned out. I think it's really cute, and I still think I will finish the second one. So this next one, I was going to do 2 pumpkins, but I did not have enough tacks. Yes, I'm using some tacks. This big, large blue pumpkin came from Dollar Tree last year, and I almost threw it out, which I should know better being a crafter. But I had these tacks from Dollar Tree. There's 300 of them. You will need 2 packs of this because this did almost take 600 tacks to put inside this pumpkin. It's a foam pumpkin, so these go right in. This was just very, very time consuming. So this is me halfway through, and I needed another package. So that's what a full package is used for. 2 packages and a little bit of leftovers. I didn't do the bottom because I didn't want it to be wobbly on the table or wherever I decide to put them. And I'm just squishing these down just to make sure they don't fall out. Using the aged copper spray paint once again, I'm going to be spray painting this pumpkin. And then I just added the stem right back that it came with. I didn't paint it, I just left it as is, and I think this is super cute. And this was pretty cool. I thought this was a pretty genius idea. This next one, I'm just going to be using this little chalkboard from the Dollar Tree. This was really easy. I don't even really call this a DIY. I used my silhouette and cut out this vinyl decal. And if you don't have them, look at all the cute free printables you guys can find on Pinterest. They have some in the left-hand corner right now that look like a chalkboard. How cute are these to print out and just Mod Podge or glue it right to there? Super cute and easy little signs to do.
They will disappear, they will let you down, so we better stick together. Let's come whatever, we're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the world, gotta get it right now. We only need the 2 of us.
This next one, I'm just using this Beware sign. I have actually never found these at my Dollar Tree until this year, so I picked up a couple, and I'm just using the Antique Wax by Waverly, and I'm going to be painting the entire back side.
Together.
I just cut out Hello Fall with my silhouette once again. I actually really intended on using stencils, but my stencils were way too large for this sign. I have like 5.5 and 6-inch letters. They did not work. If you had 4-inch letters, it would have worked wonders, but I could not find mine, so I just used this, which I think this is kind of a waste of vinyl when I could have just used a stencil and just used some paint or a chalk marker or whatever I wanted to use. But I think this is really simple, and anybody can do this. Like I said, you can use stencils is what I planned on using, but I didn't have them, so I wasn't able to do them. And I did not want to go buy stencils for like $12 or $10 or $8. I didn't even want to spend any money. Just wanted to use what I had. So that's what I did. But overall, I think this one turned out super cute. But other than that, you guys, that's it for the video. I think these are super easy and anybody can make things like this. I love super easy DIY, especially if you are starting out in the crafts or you don't know where to start or you want to go to Dollar Tree and buy things but you don't know what to buy. Here you go. I hope this video helped. If you guys liked this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you consider sticking around and subscribing. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think